Okay, dude. So this video is going to be on the first. This is going to be on the first five sums of time and work. So time and work is a very easy concept. Yes. So this video is going to be on the first five sums. So before we start, I want to show you something. Yes. And this explanation which I give you right now, this is going to sum up at least the first 15 sums of the exercise. Yes. So suppose I tell you that Samarpita can do a piece of work. I'm just writing Samarpita. Yes, the entire sentence is that Samarpita can do a piece of work in 3 days. Yes, and Sir can do a piece of work in 6 days. Okay, so if both of them start working together, yes, so if both of them start working together, then how many days will they take? Okay, so this is the entire question. Samarpita can complete a piece of work in 3 days. Sir can complete a piece of work in 6 days. If both of them work together, how much time will they take? Okay, so if Samarpita works alone, yes, how many days will she take? She will take 1 by 3. Okay, so since you complete the sorry. So, sorry, I write it again. I'm writing it as Sam. Samarpita completes the work in 3 days. Sir completes the work in 6 days. Okay, then how much time will they take if they both start working together? Yes, we need to find out 1 day's work of both of us. Yes, Samarpita's 1 day's work will be what? Samarpita's 1 day's work will be 1 by 3. Okay, and Sir's 1 day's work will be what? Sir's 1 day's work will be 1 by 6. Okay, and if we start working together, yes, together, then it will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Okay, so which will come as 6 and 3 twos are plus 1 is equal to 3 by 6. Yes, and this cancels out and becomes 1 by 2. Yes, so your final answer won't be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not the final answer. They are asking us that how much time will they take if both of them work together. Yes, if we work together, our 1 day's work is 1 by 2. So if we work together, how many days will we take? We will take 2 days. Okay, so this 1 by 2, it becomes 2 days finally. Yes, if we would have got the answer as 1 by 6, you would have written that we take 6 days to complete the work. Okay, now the next type is this, that that together we can do a piece of work in 2 days. Yes, together we can do a piece of work in 2 days, and Samarpita alone can do it in 3 days. Okay, then how many days does Sir take? I repeat the question. Together Sir and Samarpita can do a piece of work in 2 days. Samarpita alone can do that piece of work in 3 days. Then how much time does Sir take? So we added Sir's 1 day's work plus Samarpita's 1 day's work to get the together work. I'm just writing it as 2 TOG. Yes, to get how many days we will take to do it together. Yes, now in this sum, what you have together, like how many days will they take if they work together, and you have Samarpita's 1 day's work. Okay, and this thing is not given. Okay, so if this thing is not given, I will leave this alone on one side. Yes, I will take Samarpita's 1 day's work to the other side. So Sir's is equal to together minus Samarpita's 1 day's work. Yes, so together we completed it in 2 days. So I will write 1 by 2 over here, and Samarpita alone could do it in 3 days. So I will write 1 by 3 over here. The final answer will be what? 2 3s are 3. 2 by 6. Will it be 2 by 6? 2 3s are and 3 minus. Okay, so sorry, it will be 1 by 6. The answer will be 1 by 6. Yes, thus Sir can do it in. You won't write 1 by 6 is not your answer. Your answer will be 6 days. Okay, so this much explanation is enough for you to do the first 5 or 10 sums. You can do as many as you want. Yes, I am just explaining the first 5 sums. If you can do anything after that, you can do it. Yes, and where you stop, you tell me that. I will make the video from after that sum. Let's get to the sum straight away. So this is the first sum, that Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days, Amit can do a piece of work in 30 days. In how many days can they complete it if they work together? Okay, so I am explaining these first 5 sums, but I don't want you to watch it. Okay, I want you to watch it only when you get stuck in a particular sum. Yes, so because I've explained almost everything in the so you just listen to this first explanation, and then you will do everything on your own. Okay, so Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days. What is Rajan's 1 day's work? Rajan's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. Yes, what is Amit's 1 day's work? Amit's 1 day's work is 1 by 30, because Amit completes the whole work in 30 days. So if they work together, how much time will they take together? It will be 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30. Whatever answer you get, suppose you get 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is not the answer, I'm just telling suppose. Then what will you write? That together they will complete it in 15 days. You won't write 1 by 15. Okay. Then again the same sum, Ravi can do a piece of work in 15 hours. Raman can do it in 12 hours. How long will both of them take to do it together? This is just the same as the previous one. Ravi's 1 day's work is 1 by 15. Yes, Raman's 1 day's work is 1 by 12, and then together they will take 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. Okay, and then we move on to number 3, where they are saying that A and B, if they work together, they finish it in 6 days. Means 1 day's work if they work together is 1 by 6. Yes, A alone can do it in 9 days. Means A's 1 day's work is 1 by 9. Now you will, so A's 1 day's work plus B's 1 day's work is equal to together how many days they will take. In this sum you have the together thing 1 by 6, and you have A's work 1 by 9. How will you find out B? How many days will B take? You will take this 1 by 9 to the other side. B is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9. Yes, and from there you will get this thing, B's 1 day's work, and then you will just reciprocal it to get to B's how many days will B take. Okay, again the same sum, that 2 motor mechanics, Raju and Siraj, they work together and can repair a scooter within 6 hours. So together their 1 day's work is 1 by 6. Yes, Raju alone can do it in 15 hours. So Raju's 1 day's work is 1 by 15. So what will you do? You will subtract Raju's 1 day's work from the together thing to get to, who is this? Siraj's 1 day's work. Okay, so 1 by 6 minus 1 by 15 will give you Siraj's 1 day's work. Okay, and then you will get the reciprocal of it to get this thing, to get how many days does Siraj take. And then you have this sum where they ask you that A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10 days, 12 days and 15 days. How much time will they take if they finish the work together? So here you had 2 people. Yes, in the first sum you had 2 people. The first one could finish it in 24 days. The second one could finish it in 30 days. So you did 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30 to calculate how many days will they take together. Here you have 3 days. The first guy can do it in, here you have 3 guys. The first guy can do it in 10 days. So his 1 day's work is 1 by 10. The second guy can do it in 12 days. So his 1 day's work is 1 by 12. The third guy can do it in 15 days. So his 1 day's work is 1 by 15. Yes. So this is the thing. So you're adding all these 3 to get to the answer, that what is that how much time will they take if they work together. And whatever answer you get, suppose you get 1 by 20, not 1 by 20, it will be less than that only. Suppose you get 1 by 5, then your final answer will be 5 days. Okay, so that's it for today. tell me till wherever you do, and then I will make a video after that.